好，咁我哋嚟到下半部分咯喎，由第41題開始啦。Question 41，嘟嘟 is the research question mark？咁所以呢度咧，我哋就要揀一個適合嘅 question word 啦，提問詞。咁呢度嘅 research 咧，其實係上一段，就係第39題之前嗰度提及嘅 recent research，呢個最近出現嘅或者最近做完嘅研究咁樣。咁呢度咧，佢首先就講咗個研究嘅結果。咁所以到翻轉頭咧，喺下一段咧，其實佢就翻轉頭去問啦。咁到底個研究係做啲乜嘢嘅咧？因為從呢度嘅內容，我哋會知道啦，佢係描述緊咧成個研究嘅內容啦、做嘅步驟啦等等。咁所以乜嘢呢一個意思咧，係英文就 what is the research？ 咁我哋睇埋其他3個 options 嘅意思啦。How 係如何？譬如可能你去面試咁樣啦，假設你遲啲可能要去大學 interview 喎，咁可能 interviewer 就會問你啦，咦，你點樣嚟㗎？咁樣 How did you get here？ How did you get here？ 咁樣啦 ，How 如何 ？Which 就係邊一個啦，即係假設台上面咧就有3支筆，你中意邊一支啊 ？Which pen do you like？Which pen do you like？ 咁係邊一哪一？咁係有個特定範圍嘅。咁去到 Y 就點解啦？咁呢個可能唔使多解釋啦。咁所以最配合到乜嘢有意思嘅咧，就係 what。好，咁我哋繼續咯。Researchers from Japan's Center for Mental Health studied the sleeping of 24 workers。咁呢一個機構咧，佢就研究咗啦24個工人嘅睡眠乜乜。好，咁呢度都可以講一講嘅。其實呢度嘅 sleeping 咧，就係我哋常講嘅 compound noun，佢就係咧嗰個名詞咧有2個組成嘅部分嘅。呢度 sleeping 咧 ，sleeping 唔係形容詞嚟噶嘛，佢唔係 adjective 嚟噶嘛。咁點解佢可以放喺一個 noun 嘅前面咧？因為呢一度咧就有 compound noun。咁 compound noun 好常見咧，前面呢一個咧，佢會係一個 ing form 嘅 verb，或者佢會係另一個 noun 嚟嘅。咁例子就譬如 washing machine 洗衣機 ，washing machine 係咪 washing 啊？咁所以就會係一個 verb 加 ing 咯。OK，咁我都寫一寫啦 ，washing machine。好，咁另一個咧，我哋又好常見 compound noun，佢常見到基本上我哋當咗佢係一個，即係基本上就係一個 noun 咁樣啫。ice cream 咁啊，名詞係啦。咁所以咧，有時就唔需要覺得咧，咦，名詞前面咧一定係形容詞嘅，因為有時的確唔係形容詞嚟嘅。好啦，咁去翻第42啦，到底邊一個名詞先至啱咧？呢度就睇意思咯喎。咁我哋從上文下，你會知道啦，呢度大概就係睡眠嘅習慣啦，睡眠嘅模式啦，佢哋點樣瞓覺嘅咧？咁樣大概呢個意思。咁4個 options，methods 方法點樣瞓？譬如係平躺喺度瞓，趴喺度瞓，你係點樣瞓啊 ？ways 同 methods 係好似嘅，都係大概方法嘅意思。habits 習慣 systems 系統。咁呢度系統咧就會比較似，譬如當佢同一啲生理現象例如瞓覺有關嘅時候咧 ，sleeping methods 咧，sleeping systems 夾埋咧，佢比較似係講緊譬如我哋個生理機制啦。嗱，首先咧你就要有啲乜嘢嘅物質啦，咁就影響你嘅大腦啦，繼而咧你就點，嗰個就係 systems。咁所以呢度咧，從個意思去睇翻咧，最接近就係 habits 啦，sleeping habits，佢哋係睡眠嘅習慣係點樣嘅咧？Okay，let's continue。12 lucky workers to take a nap in the afternoon。好啦，咁首先呢度咧，你會見到都係同一個 verb 就係 tell，唔同嘅 form 啦。處理 tenses 嘅時候咧，我哋就要記住一個好重要嘅原則。咁上次都有講過嘅就係英文嚟講咧 tenses 一定係要 consistent，佢一致嘅。當我哋講緊 research 一個已經做完嘅研究嘅時候咧，你會發覺佢用嘅 tenses 咧，基本上都係用緊過去式。跟住 they were 過去式，咁所以首先咧，下面只要佢唔係過去式嘅咧，都可以查走佢啦。所以 A 同 D 咧已經可以查走佢啦。咁就剩翻到底係 would be told 定係 were told？would be told 定係 were told？咁呢一度咧係用翻最簡單嘅過去式嘅被動式，就係 were told。would be told 咧，佢會係 呢個情況底下咧，佢比較多會係例如用緊 reported speech， 譬如本身係 will be told， 咁佢變咗 would be told 嘅。另外咧一個情況咧就係用緊條件句 conditional sentences， 咁但係呢度咧兩個都唔係，咁佢單純係講緊咧到底個實驗進行緊嘅時候發生咗啲乜嘢事，一個比較簡單嘅陳述嘅時候咧，我哋就會用簡單過去式。OK， 咁去到下一題咯喎。咁佢哋係幸運嘅，就可以 take a nap in the afternoon。咁 take a nap 就係一個好好用嘅phrase 啊，咁就去講小睡 take a nap。咁所以如果有時你想講，譬如校園生活啦，有時問到會唔會下晝太多堂咁樣，有時可能問你嘅 opinion 咁樣，你話其實會㗎，所以可能咧As a student, I prefer to have the chance to take a nap in the afternoon。咁我中意咧喺下晝嘅時候咧，可以有機會瞌一瞌咁樣 take a nap。Okay, so they could take a nap while the other 12 continue working。咁另外嗰12個人咧就要繼續工作啦，係咪？要繼續工作。咁我哋呢度有4個 modal verbs， 咁到底邊一個有需要嘅意思咧？咁我哋要留意咧，呢度嘅需要就係佢係俾個研究員咧，呢啲研究員咧要求佢咁樣做嘅，因為佢分咗呢班人做2個 group， 咁所以咧佢哋被要求要咁樣做。咁有邊一個 modal verb 嘅意思咧？我哋一齊睇下啦。A had to 需要去做嗰樣嘢。B ought to。咁呢度可以留意咧，其實 ought to 咧佢係比較似 should，而 had to 咧佢會係 must 嘅過去式。咁 can 就係 can 啦，尤其佢呢度咧係 can 係用緊佢現在式，咁所以基本上就唔會係 can 嘅。咁 might 就係可能嘅意思。咁另外亦都有講法咧，might 係未嘅過去式。好啦，咁呢度咧答案係 A had to。咁有同學可能就係諗啦，但係 must 同埋 should 其實好似喎，我一直以嚟都有少少分唔到兩個嘅分別，佢哋有咩分別咧？咁我哋可以睇下就係咧 must had to 其實佢就係必須呢一個必須咧係有一個外力去令你要咁樣做嘅，譬如呢度就係啲 researchers 要啲 workers 咁樣做。另外咧有另外啲情況都係用 must， 譬如就係有校規、班規。個老師叫你咁樣做，有個外力要你咁樣做嘅，呢個就會用 must 嘅。咁有時亦都有一個情況咧，就係係啦，即係都係命令咯，有個外力咁樣做，咁樣理解會比較容易。咁去到 should 咧係應該 should 咧比較多咧係責任上需要，譬如咧就係話你譬如我哋應該要對其他人友善嘅，假設即係呢個係一個道德價值上嘅諗法啦，咁係比較內在啲嘅。We should be nice to others. We should be kind to others. 呢個係內在少少嘅，就用 should。責任上咧或者道德上需要做嘅，我哋會傾向用 should， 係啦 should。好，但係就住 modal verbs 咧，其實佢哋嘅意思有時好相似，但係 modal verbs 咧用得靚嘅時候咧，係可以令到文章咧係更加個意思表達得更加精準，同埋咧睇落去就會個感覺更加好。我知道咁樣講啲廢，但係真係感覺嘅問題。咁所以之後有機會咧都可以同大家講下 modal verbs 嘅。好，去到第45啦喎，咁我哋睇埋呢句啦。The researchers then do some tests on all the workers to find out how alert and efficient they were。好，首先解咗 alert 同 efficient 先。alert 咧就係個人有警覺性，即係佢有幾醒神啊。簡單嚟講，有幾醒神。efficient 就係有效率。咁 alert and efficient 咧夾埋咧，其實就可以，如果有時係啦，想形容學生上堂嘅狀況咧，就可以用 alert 同 efficient 去形容。咁就即係對比，可能一日到黑都淨係識得用 attentive 啊，listen to the teacher， 咁呢兩個會係更加好嘅形容詞啦。咁翻去個問題本身咯喎，呢一度咧我哋需要一個動詞啦，因為我哋見到 subject the researchers some tests object， 咁 subject 同 object 中間咧一定係 verb 啦。咁邊一個 verb 呢條問題嘅重點就係邊一個 verb 可以搭配套 tests 一齊用咧，即係 test 係用邊一個 verb 嘅咧？咁我哋一齊睇下啦，即係 make、put、had 咁答案咧就係 A did。呢度得 did 可以同 test 去夾埋一齊用嘅啫。咁而如果咧同學有 selfie camera 嘅時候咧，我哋咪會用 experiment 嘅 experiment。咁當然你可以用 do an experiment 啊，但係另外一個咧，即係深少少嘅字，但又常見咧就係 perform a test or experiment。咁但係呢一個咧就會係比較科學上嘅用法嘅，即係呢個 test 係一個測試咁樣啦。咁佢就唔係我哋譬如學校俾份測驗你做完要評分咁樣，嗰個就少啲會用 perform 嘅。但係 did 或者 do 咧就都可以用嘅，咁啊 general 啲。咁呢度亦都解釋咗點解好多時，明明 do 都可以用，但係偏偏老師要教你 perform 咧，就係因為 do 咧實在太百搭。咁當一個字好百搭嘅時候，你係咁淨係識得用嗰個字，對於個卷老師嚟講係點樣？就係你唔識咯，你就係識啲用，你淨係識用一啲最百搭、最常見嘅字，但係你就唔識用一啲比較精準嘅字。呢個就係 vocabulary。所以當我哋係咁，即係有時你都會成日聽到好多人話啊，你 DSE 嘅話咧，你咧 vocab 咧要背好多㗎，你要識好多 vocab 㗎。咁可能同學就會好 confused。咁我係咪全部都要識啲好深嘅 vocab、好長嘅 vocab、勁得個 syllables 嘅 vocab 先至叫做識 vocab 咧？其實唔係，而係你知道有個 general， 有個意思好一般、好百搭嘅字，有個意思比較準確，有時用得，有時唔用得嘅字。我哋所謂嘅背 vocab，其實就要背呢啲字，因為用呢啲字咧，你個搭配用得啱，就話緊俾人聽，你有落苦功，同埋你喺呢個語言嘅掌握度咧係高嘅。好，咁啊啲即係少少嘅閒聊就講完啦，我哋就繼續睇好喎。好，咁雖然冇問題啦，但我哋照睇呢一句啦。The results showed that the people who had been allowed to sleep scored about 10% higher on the tests than those who had not been allowed any sleep at all。咁所以個研究嘅結果咧就指出反映咗咧，有得瞓覺嘅人，佢喺呢啲測試上面咧，佢係可以攞到10%，即係佢分數係10% 高啲嘅，比起嗰啲完全冇得瞓覺嘅人。我知道我中文嘅順序有啲奇怪，但係呢個就係所以點解唔好中譯英，因為中文同英文嗰個順序咧係完全唔一樣嘅。好啦，咁呢度就係嗰個結果啦。咁我哋去到第46題咯。好啦，咁就係講緊 The researchers continued the test for several hours and discovered that the sleeper performed better in tests than 2 or 3 hours later。咁所以呢句就係講緊啦，啲研究員咧就繼續佢哋嘅測試啦。咁啊做多咗幾個鐘頭，咁就揾到咧，原來呢一啲嘅有瞓覺嘅人咧，佢2-3個鐘之後咧，依然係表現得好啲嘅。好，咁所以我哋呢度兩個 blank 小填咯。第一就係到底繼續做某樣嘢係 continue 跟乜嘢 preposition 嘅咧？第二就係繼續依然仍然係邊一個 effort 咧？好，咁啊先睇46啦。continue 咧因為呢個係要背咗佢嘅，咁我直接講答案。continue with。好，咁但係有同學可能話唔係喎，我有聽過 continue to 嘅喎，啱嘅。咁點解 continue 呢度用 with 咧？我呢度都加咗個小 remark 啦，因為後面呢個 the test 係一個 noun 名詞，咁所以 continue 加 with 加名詞。咁幾時用 to 咧？有冇印象呢？後面跟一個冇錯啦，動詞。咁所以譬如 continue to do something，譬如可能可能咧本身咧我哋睇緊呢一篇文章嘅，我哋對緊答案嘅喎。咁然之後咧我就話我哋繼續對答案啦。Let's continue to look at the answers. Let's continue to look at the answers。咁 to 後面會跟一個 verb 嘅。咁然後第47題咯喎，邊一個 verb 邊一個副詞有仍然嘅意思咧？就係 still 啦 ，still 依然仍然係啦。咁去到第48啦。was found that sleeping position affected the worker's performance as well。咁咧仲揾到咧，原來瞓覺姿勢咧都會影響佢哋表現嘅喎，即係唔係淨係有冇瞓，而且仲係點樣瞓咧會影響佢哋表現嘅。好啦，第48題答案係乜嘢咧？答案咧係 boy， 直接講。咁點解係 boy 咧？呢度個 it 咧其實就係所謂嘅 dummy subject，假 subject 嚟嘅。 咩意思咧？就係其實佢冇意思，佢純粹嘅存在咧係 hold 住個 subject 位，係一個 placeholder 嚟嘅，佢 hold 住個 subject 位。咁但係真正嘅 subject 係乜嘢咧？我哋就可以問一問啦，到底乜嘢係 was found 咧？乜嘢係被發現咧？就後面呢一個 fact 啫嘛，後面呢一個現象或者呢一個嘅係啦觀察就係被發現嘅嗰個。所以其實咧呢一個先至係呢句句子真正嘅 subject。所以呢一句句子咧，如果唔用 it 嘅話咧，應該係咁樣嘅。That sleeping position affected the worker's performance as well was found。咁樣寫咧，文法上亦都啱嘅，但係你好少見到人咁樣寫。點解咧？因為個 subject 太長啦，個 verb was found 係逼到去呢個位係咪？即係如果我哋句子寫出嚟，逼到去最後，咁睇嗰陣就勁辛苦啦。嚇，呢個係 main verb 啊？咁呢個 sleeping position 呢個 affected 嚇，咁佢哋之間關係係點樣㗎？就會覺得好亂啊。咁所以我哋幾時需要用到 it dummy subject 咧？就係當嗰個真正嘅 subject 咧太長，佢令到句子嘅 main verb 咧會被排擠到擠壓到太後，造成理解上嘅困難。咁呢個時候咧，我哋就會需要用到 it dummy subject 啦。咁仲有其他例子嘅，咁但係時間關係啦，我會將佢放喺我哋嗰份 notes 裏面，咁啊俾同學睇到。咁而呢一個 pattern 咧係非常之常見。咁不論係你寫嘢嘅時候啦，會經常需要用到啦，或者你睇文章都會用到嘅。咁需要記住呢個 it 咧，就呢一類句子咧，佢如果題目問你 What does it refer to？ Reference question 係 paper one 好常見係咪？呢一個情況咧，你唔係向前揾咯，你就向後揾啦。佢會指緊後面嗰樣嘢。同人哋當你睇一篇文章嘅時候，你見到 it 就唔好覺得個 it 咩嚟㗎？我唔知佢係咩，我睇唔明呢句喎。因為有時咧，佢係冇意思嘅，你唔知佢代表啲乜，反而係合理嘅，因為其實咪就係後面呢個咯，係啦。咁所以記住 it as a dummy subject，dummy 即係假嘅 dummy subject。好，咁我哋就去到最後兩題咯。Okay，people who slept sitting up were more clear-headed and became alert more quickly than those who lay down。咁所以咧，坐喺度瞓嘅人咧係會清醒啲嘅，同埋咧係會快啲可以醒神，個人係進入翻狀態嘅。咁啊，相比起嗰啲瞓低躺平瞓覺嘅人，係啦，lay down 即係瞓低，係啦。咁呢度我哋可以學嘅咧就係 clear-headed。咁呢度咧，佢嘅意思就係嗰個頭腦清醒啦。咁你發覺都幾字面意思解嘅喎，冇錯啦。呢個就係我哋要學嘅嘢啦，就係咧，有陣時你見到佢係形容詞位啦，點樣知佢形容詞位啊？佢跟係 more 後面啊，咁啊形容詞或者副詞，咁啊當然有時名詞都會嘅，咁但好多時就形容詞或者副詞就會喺 more 嘅後面。好啦，你見到佢有個 hyphen 有個 ed 尾，見到 hyphen ed 尾，咁佢就會係個形容詞啦。咁如果佢係咁樣嘅時候咧，你點樣理解呢個形容詞咧？你查字典都未必查到佢嘅。你理解嘅方法就係將呢兩個字連埋一齊，嗱，即係按字面意思解 clear 清晰清楚 head 頭，個頭好清晰，頭腦好清晰。嗱，喺英文嚟講咧 head 都係有指代大腦嘅意思嘅，係啦。咁所以咧，我哋見到 head 就會知道係同佢個精神狀態會有關。咁 clear-headed 頭腦清晰。咁所以咧，有時就係啦，見到呢啲有 hyphen 有 ed 尾嘅字咧，唔使驚嘅。你踩走個 hyphen，踩走個 ed，望住嗰兩個字本身估就得㗎啦。Okay，let's continue. The workers who lay down got too comfortable and didn't sleep more deeply。點解咧？原來因為瞓低嘅人咧太舒服啦，咁所以咧就瞓得沉啲。嗱，呢度我哋就可以日學一學啦。瞓得好冧，瞓得好即係沉睡咁樣，係用 deep 嘅 sleep deeply。嗱，咁呢度40個我哋需要一個所以嘅意思。咁呢度有邊一個所以嘅意思咧？就會係 therefore 啦，係啦 therefore 啦。咁呢度係得 therefore 有所以嘅意思嘅啫。咁咧，其餘嗰3個咧 moreover 就係 additional 喎，而且係啦，另外咁樣。However 同埋 nevertheless 咧就會係 contrast， 係一個轉折嚟嘅。不過然而咁樣嘅意思。咁有所以即係因果關係嘅意思咧，係得 therefore 啫。好，你繼續咯。As a result 就係另一個日系 所以嘅意思啦。咁所以有所以，咁呢個咧亦都要學就係咧，當你同時要用兩個所以嘅時候咧，盡量唔好用同一個字或者同一個詞，因為咁樣會好悶嘅，咁啊要換一換。咁所以我哋已經學咗兩個喎 therefore 係所以 ，as a result 都係所以，咁你至少有兩個喺手。As a result, it was several hours before they were completely alert again。咁所以咧，因為瞓喺度太舒服啦，所以咧要等幾個鐘咧，佢哋先至會進入翻一個完全嘅狀態，即係進入翻一個平時100% 嘅狀態咁樣。好，去到 conclusion 咯喎。咁既然係 conclusion 咧，我哋就需要一啲嘢啦，代表所以啦，即係整體而言啊，或者嗰一啲咁樣啦嘅字啦。咁所以邊一個有呢個意思咧？好，就係 so 啦。咁你話唔係喎，所以唔係 as a result 咩？你唔係啱啱先講完咋咩？呢一度咧，我哋就可以講下到底 so 同 as a result 要點分啦。so 咧可以係一個 general 嘅 conclusion，咩意思咧？就係你上面講完一大抽嘢，上面所有嘅嘢加埋晒。嗱，我講咗一大輪嘢，所以就有某個結論啦。佢攞嚟 introduce 一個 conclusion 嘅。咁但 as a result 咧，佢係表示一個更加強烈嘅因果關係 causal relationship。咁所以咧，通常用得 as a result 嘅話咧，個因同個果咧係好緊密地擺喺一齊嘅。例如上面呢度啦，因為太舒服，所以瞓得冧咗，所以咧要等幾個鐘頭先至可以醒晒。個因果關係係非常之緊密嘅。但係呢度嗰個 so 咧，佢係指上面嘅所有嘢。就唔係淨係啱啱呢一段嘅呢一句，亦都唔係淨係啱啱呢一段，唔係，係上面所有嘢。點解會咁講咧？我哋睇埋落去就知㗎啦。So the next time you feel sleepy in class，好啦，上堂覺得想瞓覺係第一段嘅嘢係咪？佢翻返第一段咁遠喎，咁所以咧就用 as a result 就唔係適合啦，因為 as a result 啱啱講咗，佢又係一個好強烈嘅因果關係，個因同個果近啲嘅。咁呢一度咧就需要一個更加 general嘅意思，咁所以就會用 so。If you feel sleepy in class, see if your teacher will let you put your head down on your desk and have a quick sleep。唔知大家嘅老師係咪呢種風格啦？就係舉手，可能同老師溝通好之後就可以趴喺度發一瞓嘅，係嘛？真係睇老師嘅，係啦。咁啊，see if 咧，呢度 see if 就係睇下會唔會啦，咁樣即係有少少就係去視乎對方嘅態度，或者視乎後面呢件事情嗰個情況係點樣啦。see if，OK。咁所以例如啦，可以講話，即係譬如睇下聽日會唔會落雨啦。See if it will rain tomorrow。See if it will rain tomorrow。咁睇下聽日會唔會落雨啦。咁我哋就再睇下會唔會可能去某個地方玩嘅。係啦，咁其實就用緊 if 嘅，不過前面就係加多咗個 C，即係可以咁樣答。Okay，if this is not possible，just get someone to shine a bright light in your face。咁如果係唔得嘅話咧，咁就揾人揾強光打落你塊面度啦，咁樣等你醒下咁樣。呢一個咧係其實喺成篇文章嚟講咧，你會聽到，即係你會感覺到個衝咧係突然之間活潑咗嘅。呢個都係大家可以學嘅啫。我哋寫文章咧，有時就係成篇文章啦，咁係篇論説文解釋嘅文章，其實 throughout 咧整篇嚟講咧都會悶嘅。咁但係收尾咯喎，老師要評分咯喎，係咪？咁你梗係想佢個心情輕快啲，咁啊手鬆啲，咁啊俾個靚少少嘅分。咁所以我哋尤其可以到最尾咧，可以去跳通少少，咁我通活潑少少，開個小玩笑都得嘅。咁就會令到個讀者咧睇完成篇文最尾咧，可能就係即係就算係搞個好爛嘅 gag，咁佢都會笑下，係咪？咁即係令佢個心情輕鬆啲咁樣咧，咁其實對成篇文章嗰個觀感就會好啲。好。咁呢度咧就已經解咗我哋呢一年嘅 MC Close 嘅題目啦，咁樣咁係一個比較長嘅 video 嚟，因為兩段加埋咧可能都接近1個鐘頭，係啦。咁但係點解會解咁多咧？因為其實呢度都好多題目，咁我每一題講2分鐘咧，其實都差不多噶啦。咁啊，希望幫到大家啦，去學翻一啲基本嘅 grammar，同埋就唔係淨係喺 grammar 書嗰度睇住嚟學，而係真係點樣應用。咁咧呢一度咧，我頭先即係呢度嘅所有 remarks 咁樣啦，雖然有啲亂啦，咁但係假設同學咧喺睇 video 嘅時候未抄一次嘅話咧，咁我會將佢放落個 PDF 嗰度，咁大家可以整理翻啦。另外咧，亦都會有一個額外嘅一 page 咧就係將三個呢一度其中三個我覺得真係好值得學嘅 learning point 咧，整理咗歸納咗喺嗰度。咁大家咧就可以 description 嗰度咧攞翻個 file，咁然之後咧就可以自己去睇翻。咁上面中英對照嘅，所以唔擔心會睇唔明。真係睇唔明嘅話，嚟 comment 嗰度問問題，咁我回覆翻你㗎啦。好，今日多謝大家睇到你呢度，夜視加油，拜拜。